Today we're going to see what it looks like to create a GL account within Sage 100 and see it sync over to Ramp via the Anyware Apps connector. In Sage 100, we're going to go to the sub-account maintenance within General Ledger. We're going to enter in a sub-account in Department and put in a description. We'll also enter in a short description. And once we're done there, we'll go ahead and click Accept. Here you can see that the test for GA sub-account was created successfully. Now, within General Ledger, let's go ahead and go to Account Maintenance. Here, we're going to look up one of the accounts in the list. Then using our new department that we created earlier, 22, we're going to create a new GL account. Here we see it. It is going to be a utilities, and we can see if we open up here, we type in the number we just entered in, we have utilities and TSTGA. There, we'll go ahead and sync to Ramp. Now, it's important to recognize that when this is installed within your environment, the integration will automatically sync on a scheduled basis, but there is a manual option if a sync needs to happen immediately. Going back into Ramp, let's go to Company, People, and then Groups. We're going to search for the group. Here we see Test for GA has synced over directly to Ramp from Sage 100. We're also going to go into Accounting and Credit Card Transactions. And we're going to pick a credit card transaction and look at the accounting category. Here, we're going to look up the one that we created earlier. And we see it there, TSTGA. Thank you so much.